Did you know that over 600 million turkeys are raised and processed worldwide every single year? That's nearly equal to the population of North America, a staggering symbol of how deeply this bird has entered our global food chain. With more protein than chicken and less fat than beef, turkey has become a premium white meat of choice in both Western and Asian markets. But behind the festive dinners and perfectly packaged fillets lies one of the most complex agricultural systems on Earth, an industry worth over $12 billion annually. Today, we'll go deep inside the modern turkey supply chain, from artificial breeding to automated processing, to uncover how millions of birds are transformed into food every year, under strict standards of speed, precision, and efficiency. The journey of every turkey begins long before the egg. Unlike traditional breeds such as the bronze or bourbon red, the modern broad-breasted white turkey has been selectively bred for rapid muscle growth, especially in the chest area. But this comes at a cost. These birds can no longer reproduce naturally. On industrial farms, artificial insemination is the foundation of production. Technicians collect semen from male turkeys, called toms, using manual stimulation techniques. Each tom produces enough semen to fertilize up to 30 hens per collection cycle. The semen is then carefully measured and transferred using specialized syringes into female turkeys, or hens. This process happens thousands of times per day on large-scale farms, ensuring genetic uniformity and maintaining high fertility rates. After insemination, hens are kept in temperature-controlled enclosures, where lighting, humidity, and air circulation are continuously monitored. Even a small deviation of 2 degrees can lower egg production by as much as 20 to 30%. Once fertilized, hens lay eggs into automated collection systems designed to prevent cracking. On some farms, conveyor belts stretch for hundreds of meters, gently rolling each egg towards sorting stations. Here, workers and machines check for shell integrity, weight, and cleanliness before the eggs are packed into incubation trays. Each tray can hold 90 to 120 eggs, and an average hatchery can process over 500,000 eggs every week. Inside the incubators, the eggs are kept at 37.5 degrees Celsius with 55% humidity, and trays automatically rotate several times per hour to mimic the turning motion a mother bird would provide in nature. After about 10 days, embryonic development is checked using a method called candling. A beam of light shines through the shell, revealing which embryos are growing correctly. Unfertilized or damaged eggs are removed immediately to maintain hygiene. By day 28, the first soft peeps echo through the hatchery, the sound of new life breaking free. Mechanical arms lift the trays and transfer the newly hatched chicks, called poults, onto conveyor belts for cleaning and vaccination. At this stage, every poult is extremely fragile. Automated systems equipped with soft rubber grips gently pick up each chick, remove residual eggshells, and place it onto sorting lanes. Trained staff then sex the poults by examining subtle differences in feather color and size. Females are destined for meat and egg production, while smaller or weaker males are separated for byproduct processing. Each selected poult receives multiple vaccines, protecting against common diseases such as avian influenza, Newcastle disease, and bacterial enteritis. The precision of this system is astonishing. Every injection is delivered in under 1 second with 99.8% accuracy. After vaccination, Poults are placed into ventilated trays and loaded into climate-controlled transport vehicles, where the internal temperature is maintained between 32 to 35 degrees, the ideal warmth for newborn birds. Upon arrival at grow-out farms, the poults are introduced into large insulated barns covered with dry straw or wood shavings. These materials regulate moisture and absorb waste, ensuring the floor remains dry and warm. Automatic feeders and drinkers supply high-protein feed made primarily from soybean meal and corn, enriched with vitamins and amino acids. Within just 1 week, each poult gains up to 500 grams, and by the end of the first month, they grow nearly twice as fast as regular broiler chickens. Temperature, light, and air circulation are strictly managed by computer systems. Even airspeed is adjusted, slow in the first few days to maintain warmth, faster later to provide cooling. As the turkeys mature, their diet changes to include more energy-dense pellets. By 12 weeks, they reach 6 to 8 kilograms, and by 16 to 20 weeks, full-grown hens weigh 10 to 14 kilograms, while toms can exceed 20 kilograms. Farmers constantly monitor flock health using motion sensors, sound detectors, and AI-based cameras that track movement and feeding patterns. If an irregular pattern is detected, like reduced walking or low feed intake, alerts are automatically sent to the manager's phone within seconds. When the birds reach their target weight, harvesting begins, often at night when turkeys are calmer and easier to handle. Teams of workers wearing protective gear walk through the barns and gently catch each bird, placing them into ventilated plastic crates designed to minimize stress. Each crate holds 4 to 6 turkeys, depending on their size. These crates are then loaded onto specialized trucks equipped with airflow control systems and non-slip flooring, ensuring stable conditions during transport. The journey to the processing plant usually takes less than 2 hours to maintain meat quality and reduce stress-related issues. At the plant, crates are unloaded and moved to the receiving area under blue calming lights, which help keep the turkeys relaxed. Each bird is weighed, inspected, and guided into an automated stunning chamber. Most facilities use controlled atmosphere stunning, where turkeys are exposed to carefully balanced CO2 levels, causing them to lose consciousness painlessly. This method is now considered more humane and consistent than older electrical systems. Once unconscious, the turkeys move through the scalding tanks filled with hot water at around 60 degrees Celsius. This loosens feathers without damaging the skin. They are then transferred to defeathering machines, equipped with hundreds of soft rubber fingers that rotate and gently remove feathers within seconds. Afterward, the birds pass through automated leg cutting systems that slice precisely at the joint, separating legs with surgical accuracy. Each cut is monitored by sensors that detect resistance and adjust blade angle instantly, ensuring clean separation and maximum yield. The next stage is evisceration, the removal of internal organs. A precise incision is made along the abdomen, and vacuum-assisted tools extract the organs intact. Livers, hearts, and gizzards are cleaned, sorted, and sent to secondary processing lines for packaging as edible products. Meanwhile, carcasses move through chemical rinse systems using diluted solutions of peracetic acid or chlorine dioxide, approved sanitizers that kill surface bacteria. After a short soak, birds are rinsed again with clean water and moved into hot air dryers nearly 50 meters long. These dryers spin and rotate each turkey while hot air removes moisture, ensuring uniform dryness and preventing bacterial growth. At this point, the entire line runs at breathtaking speed, up to 9,000 birds per hour, with cameras scanning every inch for bruises, uneven coloration or damaged skin. Defective carcasses are automatically diverted to a separate line for trimming or rendering. Once fully inspected, each turkey enters the cutting phase. Automated machines use vision sensors to locate exact joint points and make millimeter-accurate cuts for wings, breasts, and thighs. The breast meat, known for its tenderness and mild flavor, is separated first and chilled immediately. Thighs and drumsticks follow, processed through curved blade systems that adapt to muscle position, a major innovation in poultry engineering. The different cuts are weighed using digital precision scales and placed into vacuum-sealed trays. Each pack is labeled with a QR code that allows consumers to trace the product back to its farm and processing date. Finally, the sealed packages move into cold storage rooms maintained at 0 to 2 degrees C, ready for distribution to supermarkets, restaurants, and global exporters. Every minute, hundreds of finished packs roll off the line, each representing a complex chain of logistics, genetics, engineering, and human expertise. From the moment a breeder turkey is inseminated to the instant its packaged meat reaches supermarket shelves, every step is timed, measured, and optimized. The turkey industry is not just about feeding millions. It's about sustaining a system of global precision that merges biology with machinery. Behind every holiday roast or deli slice lies a world of hatcheries, conveyor belts, data systems, and human labor, all synchronized to meet the hunger of an entire planet. In the end, this billion-dollar industry is more than just farming. It's a reflection of how far humanity has gone in transforming nature into technology, and how the humble turkey became a symbol of both abundance and advancement in our modern world. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it interesting, please leave a like, share, or a comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload.